is Home Rentals LA, and welcome to the Encino Oaks Condominiums located at 5460 White Oak Avenue. This community is located in the heart of Encino, right off the 101 freeway, with tons of greenery, very large complex, and plenty of amenities. There is a community pool and spa, which are currently closed through the stay-at-home order. But there is also a rec room there and a gym up top as well. The community also has 3 standard tennis courts. Unit J308 is a top floor unit and a corner unit, so you only have a neighbor on one side. You walk into a large living room that opens into the dining area with ceiling fan and a kitchen with your granite counters and all your appliances and tons of cabinet space. This particular unit has 2 masters. You walk into one with the bathroom, full bath, tub and shower. And this particular one has 2 closets. You have one with shelves. Another one, you have a walk-in. On the other side of the unit, you have the other bedroom, granite counters, this one with a shower, and with it. This particular one has a set of shelves, so your linen closet, and 2 other closets as well. Got 1 and 2. To top it all off, this unit has central air and a large spacious balcony with enough room for a patio set, your own barbecue grill. As you can see, you're surrounded by tons of greenery, which is nice. So every building in this community is 3 floors. They all have elevator access that go from the top floor down to the basement where the parking garage is. This particular unit does have 2 assigned parking spaces. They're not tandem. They're actually facing each other, so one in front of the other. And there is community laundry on the same floor as well. So if you have any questions, give us a call and contact us for pricing.